Stop scrolling. You won't believe how good this is. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later.
Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. I didn't think it'd be this good, but the moment I used it, I got it. It's got that perfect mix of style and function, and no wonder it's all over the internet. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.
Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one, and now I get the hype. It's reliable, looks amazing, and works like a charm every single time. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels